Hunnies cheerleaders, and we have our auditions today, the 17th, here at the beautiful Crown Theater, and I am here with...
My name's Caitlin Winnett. I'm coach of the Hunnies, and we're really excited about our group of girls and ready to meet our team.
Stay tuned.
Looking for energy. A lot of you know me, so bring it today.
I'm Adam Winnett. I am one of the image consultants and consequently married to the coach, Caitlin, over there. But I do attend most, if not all, the games, and I like to see what you guys bring to each of the fans.
Good morning, my name is Vera Morris, and I was Miss North Carolina USA. I won't say when, but so what I really am looking for is lots of personality. Just have fun with it, regardless. If you forget, just keep going. It's all about the personality and spark.
My name is James. I've been with the Marksmen for 2 years now, heading into third. Some of you may know me, some may not. I'm the crazy boy that runs around the ice rink. Other than that, I'm looking for, piggybacking off of what she said, personality, heart, and just basically having fun. I'm all about smiling.
I'm Marissa. I work with the Marksmen. I oversee all of our game day staff and pretty much anything that happens in the arena that's not hockey related. So I'm looking for you guys who can interact with the fans, make the fans have a memorable experience. You know, being able to interact, whether it's throwing t-shirts or, you know, starting the wave. So that's kind of what I'm looking for here.
Good morning, I'm Jesse Calicky. I'm the head coach of the Marksmen. I don't know anything about dance, so I'm just looking for people that are having fun and bringing the energy. That's the most important thing for me.
I'm Brett Dawson. I'm account executive for the Fayetteville Marksmen. What Jesse said, I'm from Minnesota, so I don't really know anything about dance, so there you go.
Yeah, my name's Dean with Next Level Fitness and Nutrition, and just looking for people that are going to be outgoing. I work with a bunch of groups and stuff, so I look for people that can get out of that comfort zone and bust out of that shell and be energetic.
I just said another image consultant, and my wife is Kristen, so I will be attending majority of the games with myself, so I'm looking for a lot of personality and, like I said, showing you can have a lot of fun.
I'm Caitlin. I'm the coach. My dance background, I didn't grow up dancing. I started in high school. I danced competitively in college. I danced for the Hunnies back when we were just a nice little semi-pro team. Came back just this past year, but before that I danced pro out in DC, and then I was also part of the Chiefs cheerleaders training team before I had to move back here for work.
And I am Kristen, and I'm the owner of the squad. Basically, I am a cheer background. I grew up doing competitive cheer, co-ed cheer my entire life. Did jazz when I was younger, but decided I liked cheer better. Did semi-pro for a couple years, and then came back and did pro. I started this because, as you know, there is nothing in this side of North Carolina for pro dance. And so being able to create this platform where we can really showcase the talent that we have on this side of North Carolina, that's the whole point of why we're here. So anyways, do your best. We want to see everybody have fun.